When I was in high school, I played sports and I was also in theater. In theater, can you tell? So I played sports, I was in theater, and out of theater, I found improv and I loved improv and I still do. And I've come to find that all of life is an improv. Potato sandwich, blockbuster, bar mitzvahs on Tuesdays with your Aunt Lacey in a submarine. See, it's all improv. So I came upon this game in improv class, in my high school theater class, and the game is called New Choice. And this is how it goes. You're playing out a scene, and as a creative artist, you make a choice. So you're playing out the scene. Let's say you're in the kitchen with your mom making dinner, and you say, "Mom, can you please hand me that apple?" The teacher might say, "New choice." So you back up and you make a new choice, a new fresh choice. You say, "Mom, can you hand me that banana?" New choice. "Mom, can you hand me that hammer?" New choice. "Mom, can you hand me that bobcat?" New choice. "Mom, can you hand me that burnt lasagna?" So you're literally creating a new reality, a new scene, a new parallel universe, if you want to get metaphysical with it, as we like to do here at the Meditation Effect. So the game is really valuable on a life level, on a consciousness level, because we perpetually enjoy the freedom and the power to new choice ourselves when a choice that we've made has a negative residual effect, feels out of alignment, lacks joy, we know we could do better, we have a reaction in our gut that's like, ugh. We can call new choice on ourselves. We can also call new choice in the context of an accountability buddy or a group of friends who are on the same page with what they're up to in this sense. So there can be an ecosystem, a culture of the spaciousness to call new choice and therefore step into a new thought, a new communication, a new action, perhaps even a new circumstance. Sometimes we think that when we make a choice, we're locked into that. We very much kind of play into that jail cell mentality of like, oh God, I did that or I chose that. Now I'm bound to that. And obviously our actions have effects and consequences. They have return energy. That's what we call karma. And yet, with each choice and each action, we moment to moment have the freedom. We are the freedom to make a new choice because we are ever free, ever present beings. No matter what has occurred in the past, no matter what we've chosen in the past, we are sitting in a space of perpetual possibility. So if you mess up, or you're feeling stuck, or you made a choice that you're holding shame around, I encourage you to practice the mantra with yourself and the people that you love. Call new choice on yourself and get aligned to what's possible moving forward. Don't get weighed down by the choices you did make. Receive the lesson and step into the call of the new choice. This is going to expedite and clarify your progress, both individually and for your environment. Thank you so much for joining me today. New choice. I really appreciate you. New choice. This is my passion and my purpose, and I am honored to be here. New choice. Namaste. Mwah.